Guys, ito pa pala, karagdagan. Ito ang sinasabi kong pinaka sekretong malupit. Bibigyan ko na naman kayo ng bagong tips. Sekretong malupit. Okay, ano yun? Make a vlog, not a slideshow. Again, make a vlog, not a slideshow. What is vlog? Guys, vlog means it is a video and a vlog. Ano ibig sabihin ko yun? Vlog, it's a video and combination of a vlog. Dalawang magkaibang bagay yun. Kung dati yung tao mahilig tayo nagbabasa sa mga vlog, because a vlog, it is a written output. Written siya. Then nilalagay nila sa internet, then pinopost nila. So that is vlog. A vlog, it is a combination of a video and a vlog. So what are people are doing? What are the YouTubers that are doing ng maling-mali? They are not doing a vlog. They are making slideshows. Please stop doing me. Stop doing me.
Stop doing
slideshows. Because it is a repetitious content. Okay guys, continue ko lang. Yun nga, dalawang magkaibang bagay yun. Vlogging is an act of filming, while vlogging is an act of writing. So magkaibang bagay yung dalawa. Ang sinasabi ni YouTube, make a vlog, which is a video and a vlog. That's why it is called vlog. Kaya gawin natin yun guys ha. Guys, pag sinasabi kasi yung vlog, it is a record of your thoughts, opinions, or experience that you are filming. Pag sinasabing filming, so pinapakita mo kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin. And yun nga guys. Yun nga, pag vlogging, you are filming your own thing. Kumbaga, filming kung ano yung mga thoughts mo, kung ano yung mga opinions mo, ano yung mga experience mo. So, after vlogging, that's the time you publish it on YouTube. So, it is vlogging. Sabi ni YouTube, make a vlog. Okay. Yun nga, ito lang. Ang gusto ko lang iwanan sa inyo guys is always keep in mind yung pinaka-importanteng bagay para sa content ko na ito is let's make a vlog, not a slideshow. Okay guys. Guys, para sa mga hindi pa naka-subscribe sa akin, please click subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. And kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, please click like and don't forget to leave some comments down below. And guys, always think that in all our doings, let's do not forget to pray to God. It is only God that can help us in all our things, in all our doings in life. Okay guys, bye.